Hi, it's Aaliyah. Thanks for joining me today. Have you watched a video on YouTube where the lighting is just absolutely perfect and you wondered how on earth they did it? Well, beauty bloggers are best known for this, and if you look at any beauty blogger's channel, if they have got a pulled back shot of where they're working, you can see that they're using a ring light, which is a great big, very, very bright light in a circle that goes around their camera, and that just helps them to illuminate perfectly. It balances out any of the background shadows and it just softens the skin. It makes them look absolutely fantastic. And I really struggle with lighting in my house. There's only very small windows where I can actually film during the day. I'm filming around a small child who just wants my attention all the time. So I pretty much have to film when she's napping. And if the lighting isn't good at that time, I can't control that. And I'm not good enough with the camera to actually adjust the settings to compensate for that low light. So I find videos are either unusable or I just don't film them because the lighting is so bad. So I did a fair bit of research and I've come up with what I think is the best brand for me of ring light, and I'm going to show you me unboxing it. I'm going to show you what it actually looks like set up, and then we're going to turn it on for the first time and see what it actually looks like, because I don't know what to expect. I've seen lots of reaction videos and it's mostly people screaming about how amazing it is. So yeah, let's just see. This is the newer brand 18-inch ring light. I've taken it out of the box, I have set it up, I'm yet to turn it on, and fun fact, I'm actually pretty tall. I'm about 175 centimeters, and I've had to put this thing down to its very lowest setting because it is just so damn tall. And I'm actually pretty thrilled about the height because I really expected it to be a bit too short, and I find that such an inconvenience when I'm trying to, you know, put things underneath tripod so that they'll actually fit and be the right height. But no, this is great. This is all the packing materials that it came in. Yep, it was well packed. And fun fact, this is the first thing I have ever bought on Amazon, which might surprise a lot of my American and European watchers, but Amazon has only just come to Australia within the last few months. It's only actually been trading here since December, and it hasn't got a lot of traction, honestly. There is nowhere near as much product availability as you see in the States or in Europe. So I think that might be working against it. Sometimes you can still get better prices on eBay, but yeah, this actually looked to be the best deal. So I grabbed this one, and yeah, all up for people that haven't yet purchased from Amazon. If you're in Australia, it was a really good transaction, super easy, and it actually arrived weeks earlier than I expected it, and it was still free shipping. So that's pretty awesome. And so this is my room. This is where I do my, readings, all of my filming. I have my books and decks, and you'll notice that there's not much on the lower shelves because, yeah, I've got a toddler and she likes to destroy everything. But this is what the lighting looks like at about 2:30 in the afternoon. This is natural lighting, and the sun is actually beginning to set. And it sets over in this direction, but there's a big grove of trees. So this time of year, I don't really get much in the way of light. Okay, so I have just put the camera onto the tripod. There's a hot shoe attachment, and you can attach your DSLR to the ring light. And the only thing I've noticed so far is that even though I've got it set up exactly how you're meant to have it set up, it's a tiny bit bouncy, so before you start filming you just want to make sure that everything's all steady. But yeah, okay, I'm going to try it on. It is just so big, like it goes all the way around the outside here, and it's so tall. I can't believe it. Okay, alright, let's turn it on. Alright. I think it's got like a dimmer switch. Let's see. Whoa. God. Oh my god. Okay, lighter. Look how bright that is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's still getting brighter. Holy shit. I'm gonna go blind. Whoa. Okay, the knob won't twist anymore. Oh my god, that is full brightness. That is so bright. Okay, I can't deal with that. I'm gonna have to turn it down. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, clear my eyes. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I'm still tearing up, so I can't quite see how this looks in the monitor yet, but let's have a look. Oh, look at that lighting. That just like, wow. That's really cool. I can see how people are able to like put on makeup in this. And I think there's another little section where if you're a beauty blogger, you can have a mirror that attaches to it. So that's kind of cool. I can't imagine I would need it, you know, for what I do, but it's a nice little accessory to have. You know, the only downside that I've noticed so far when I actually look into the monitor is you can actually see the ring light in my glasses. Normally with people that don't wear glasses, you can see that lovely little, you know, ring in their eyes, but when I wear glasses, you can see the whole ring. So that might be an issue for people that do wear glasses and don't want to have that look. It is a bit distracting actually when I think about it. So yeah, that's just something to consider as well if you're a spectacles wearer, such as myself. I might turn that down a bit more. How far back can I go? Well, the light's still good. That's still very bright, isn't it? That's still very bright. Do you see it's wobbling just a teeny bit? Okay, so that's just a little bit of illumination, and it's still so bright. I can't believe it. That's nice. Like, it creates a really nice depth of field. Do you see how the background's all kind of slightly blurry and a bit dark? That's great. Okay, all right. So different. The reason why this is so exciting is, well, obviously because I've got a new toy, but I want to see how this actually works if I am doing a deck unboxing, or if I'm showing you crystals, or I'm doing something like that that doesn't involve just directly talking to the camera. How will this actually function if I'm just like looking down onto a table? So that will be the next thing that I will show you, but I'm going to do that as a separate video, so keep an eye out for the next one. This is actually going to be a series about lighting and about basic YouTube hacks for small channels, for spiritual entrepreneurs, for anyone who just, you know, doesn't know what to do. And I'm definitely one of those people that doesn't know what to do so much, but does like to research. So I just want to share any information that I can with you in the hope that you won't have to, you know, watch 400 different YouTube videos to get the same information that I will give you in my videos. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and yeah, I look forward to showing you the next installments and what this baby can do. Okay, until then, take care.